You like that, honey?
Oh, yes, it's good.
They look good, huh, honey?
It's a nice color.
So, honey, you have a boyfriend yet?
I'm sorry, what?
You have a boyfriend?
I don't understand how that's any of your business.
Oh, I'm just asking you have a boyfriend, you know?
That just doesn't seem like a very professional question. This is a professional setting, isn't it?
I'm sorry. I mean, I didn't thought that was a harsh question to ask. I just wanted to make sure that, starting a conversation with you.
I just don't understand why everyone needs to ask, like, if I'm seeing somebody. Like, how is it any of your concern?
Oh, I'm not concerned. I was just starting a conversation, but you don't have to give me attitude.
Oh, no attitude. I'm just like, how is it your business? Like, this is supposed to be a professional setting, and like, that just seems like it's not a professional
Honey,
question.
it's just a question, honey. You don't have to give me attitude. Like, you don't even have to answer that question. I don't know why you're getting all upset. Is it because you're lonely or something?
Do I look lonely?
You don't look lonely to me, but I was just wondering. I mean, you don't have to be mean like that.
Yeah, I don't even know if I want you to finish my nails.
Wow. You know what? You can talk to the hand because the face don't understand.
Talk to your hand. Talk to my hand.
Those are some big ass hands to talk to.